Most people attempt to sell online without a structured funnel and, this is a common mistake. It is the primary reason why potential revenue leaks away. A funnel provides a single, clear path for one specific type of buyer. It is a guided journey from curiosity to purchase. Implementing a funnel helps you, the creator, to focus your efforts. It eliminates distractions and concentrates your marketing energy on a process designed to convert. This is not about complex systems. It is about creating one straightforward road to your solution. This is for education only. There is no promise of income. Results vary by person and work. This essay will demonstrate one simple funnel. It can be built quickly. We will use artificial intelligence, a user-friendly tool like System.io. The core is a small, $9 digital product. The journey starts with a free, high-value checklist. The main source of traffic will be YouTube. Your entire funnel is built on the foundation of a single problem. The first and most crucial step is to pick one clear, painful problem that a beginner in your niche faces. You must make this problem as narrow and specific as possible. Use plain, simple words that your target audience would use themselves. Think about the small but frustrating hurdles that stop beginners from making progress. For example, consider problems like how to edit phone videos for YouTube, how to start a simple meal plan for weight loss, how to set up a personal budget in 30 minutes. These are tangible, solvable issues. You must pick the simplest problem that you personally know how to solve. Think of a challenge you can address effectively, with a short checklist and a small, inexpensive digital product. This funnel is designed to cater to beginners searching for quick wins and immediate relief. They are not looking for a comprehensive 50-hour course. They want a direct answer that helps them overcome a specific obstacle right now. Your job is to identify that obstacle and position yourself as the person with the straightforward solution. The power of this approach lies in its specificity. Once you have identified the problem, it is time to create the solution. Artificial intelligence is your assistant here, designed to save you significant time. The key is to tell the AI to write short, clear, actionable content. Your prompts should be simple and direct. For the free checklist, guide the AI to produce a concise, helpful resource. For instance, a great prompt: write a 7-step checklist for beginners to edit phone videos for YouTube. Use short steps. Use action words. Keep each step under 10 words. This makes the output immediately usable for a beginner. Next, use AI to outline your $9 starter product. Make it a natural next step after the free checklist. Provide more depth and detail. Prompt example: write a 5-chapter mini guide for beginners to edit phone videos. Include sections on tools. Include a step-by-step editing process. Include 3 example templates. Each chapter, 150 to 250 words. Clear constraints. Structured, valuable, concise product for a low-ticket offer. With your content ready, it is time to build the landing page. This is your digital storefront. We will use a tool like System.io because it is simple, integrated, and often has a free tier perfect for beginners. Your landing page needs to be clean and uncluttered. It should have one goal: to get the visitor to sign up for your free checklist. Use a clear, benefit-driven headline. Incorporate one main image, such as a mock-up of your digital checklist and a product mock-up. The page should feature a prominent opt-in form for the freebie. You can then present the $9 product on the same page after the opt-in or on the subsequent thank you page. Keep the copy short and to the point. Every word should serve a purpose. For the headline, use something direct that promises a clear outcome. Example: edit your phone videos fast. Get the 7-step checklist. Subheadline: get the free checklist to start. Then, our $9 quick guide will show you the rest of the process. This structure sets clear expectations. It tells them what they get for free and what's available if they go further. Layout should be simple and guide the eye. This visual hierarchy makes action obvious. Once someone signs up for your free checklist, the relationship has just begun. An automated 3-email sequence is your tool for nurturing this new connection. The key is to keep these emails extremely short, each one staying under 100 words. Your tone should remain friendly, helpful, supportive. The sending schedule is also important. First email immediately, second on day 2, third on day 5. The first email has 3 important jobs. It must be sent immediately after sign-up. Thanks them for their interest and trust. Delivers the checklist link. Gives one quick extra tip not in the checklist. Soft pitch the $9 guide as the next step. Subject line: here is your checklist. Second email. Day 2. Builds trust and addresses objections. Share a very short case study. share a user result. For example, here is how Jane used step 3 of the guide to fix her audio issues. Address concerns. Think you need expensive software you don't. Then, include a clear call to action to purchase the $9 guide. Subject line example: how I fixed one common video problem. Your third and final email, sent on day 5, serves as a final gentle nudge. Reiterate that the product is small, affordable, and designed to help them get a quick result. This is the last email I'll send about this guide. This signals the end of the sequence. A funnel is useless without people entering it. For this system, we will use YouTube as the single focused traffic source. Create one clear and helpful video that directly addresses the painful problem you chose in the first step. The video should be short, valuable, and to the point. Within your YouTube video's description, you must include a direct link to your checklist landing page. Add a simple, benefit-driven line right next to it. Free 7-step checklist. Get it here. Link. This gives viewers an immediate reason to click through. Use the pinned comment feature on YouTube. Pinning is often more visible than the description, especially on mobile. After you publish, leave a comment pointing to the free resource. Get the free checklist mentioned in the video right here. Link. Pin that comment to the top of the comments. Use on-screen text or lower thirds that briefly flash key phrases. On-screen text: one product, one funnel, one traffic source. Tracking your results is not optional. It is essential. You must track clicks before you even think about scaling. Set up a simple tracking system. Use a basic spreadsheet, or the built-in dashboard in a tool like System.io. Monitor a few key performance indicators: total video views, total clicks from YouTube to your landing page, total leads, number of people who opted in for the checklist, total sales of your $9 product. Record these numbers daily when you first launch. From these numbers, calculate your conversion rates: click-through rate, shocker clicks, views; opt-in rate, shock to leads, clicks; purchase rate, shoppers, sales, leads. You now have the complete blueprint for a simple, effective system. It revolves around the core principle of focus: one product, one funnel, one traffic source. This clarity is your greatest asset as a beginner. We have walked through picking a specific problem, using AI to rapidly create your checklist and mini product, building a clean landing page on a platform like System.io, a simple 3-email sequence designed to nurture, not annoy, a clear method for driving traffic from YouTube. It is a complete, self-contained engine. The most critical phase comes after the build: testing. You must test small. Run your one video. Let it gather data for at least 7 to 14 days. Do not make any changes during this period. Just observe and record your numbers. Look at your KPIs. Where are the drop-off points? Once you have that baseline data, you can start making one small change at a time. Change the headline on your landing page. Alter the subject line of your second email. Change the text on your buy button. Make one single change and track the result. Small incremental improvements can lead to significant differences over time. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Subscribe and comment. Funnel.